Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the AquaLung Aqualux 2600 dive torch. So this is a decent sized primary dive torch. The body of it is made out of anodized aluminium, which is both light, corrosion resistant and very tough. So you don't have to worry about it sort of rusting or anything. You just have to sort of keep it clean as much as you do any other torch. This has an adjustable beam angle, so you can adjust it from a wide angle, a sort of a floodlight, and then you can switch it to a spotlight if you want to focus on something in particular. So you have an oversized sort of on-off switch, and this is also how you're going to control your power output. The maximum power that this comes out of is 500 lumens, which you can focus either into a spotlight or the floodlight, but you can dial it down if you want to preserve battery power. So the battery inside is a rechargeable battery. You can recharge it inside the torch through a USB cable. If I just undo the back here, I'll show you how you can do that. So the back just unscrews, you've got double O-ring seal on that, and then just in here, just between this spring, you've got a little sort of micro USB port. You get a USB cable with it, so just plug it into a powered USB port, just like modern smartphones and tablets, and that will recharge. This is also attached by a little elasticated lanyard, so you can't lose it or misplace it. Okay, so screwing that back on quickly, I'll show you the torch in action. So if you push the switch all the way forwards, so that sort of illuminates it, and then rotate the head, that's going to change it to a spotlight, so it's much tighter beam. But in this little switch, if you push it just a little bit, if you push it a little bit, you can see it dials down the power, push it all the way forwards, and that sort of steps it all the way up to that 500 lumens. And then pushing it all the way back will switch it off. So the switch itself is nice and tactile. It's really obvious when it's sort of on or off, and it's very easy to switch between the two. And you also have this little lug, which is going to sit just in front of that switch. And that's going to stop it from activating whilst it's in storage or whilst it's being transported. That way you're not going to damage the torch, you're not going to run out of battery as soon as you get to your destination. But yeah, a good all-rounder because you do have control of what type of torch you have, whether it's a spotlight or a floodlight, and that rechargeable battery inside makes it really, really easy to use. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.